How does getting your hands on professional-grade Snap-on tools at special student pricing sound to you? Well, Snap-on has an offer you simply cannot pass up. When you join the Snap-on Student Excellence Program, you'll be able to buy your initial investment of Snap-on tools at prices that give you a real advantage. That's a great deal. And it all starts with the Snap-on Student Excellence Program website and app, your gateways to obtaining all the tools, training, and support you need to excel in the classroom, prepare you for a job, and succeed in your professional career. Your first step is to visit the Snap-on Student Excellence Program website or app and set up an account. It only takes a few minutes and you're in. It's that simple. Once you join, you can start buying the tools needed for the classroom at preferred pricing offered only to students. There's nowhere else you can get professional-grade Snap-on tools this affordable. And making your tool purchases is fast and easy. Snap-on is regularly at your school, and your Snap-on Technical Education Account Manager is knowledgeable on your curriculum and can advise you on the best tools you need to complete your technical education and start your career. After joining the Snap-on Student Excellence Program, you'll receive a student catalog containing all the tools and tool storage eligible for special pricing. The Snap-on Student Excellence Program website and app puts all of this information right at your fingertips. Here you can shop online for the Snap-on tools you'll need today and in the future. Enrolled students also receive customized emails that feature helpful tech tips, life hacks, safety tips, special discounts, and student-only offers. And the Snap-on Student Excellence Program encourages you to network with other like-minded students through its Instagram and Facebook messages. With discounts on tools and many other benefits that you'll receive just by joining, the Student Excellence Program is a must for any student pursuing a career as a technician. So what are you waiting for? Your first step is to visit the Snap-on Student Excellence Program website or app and sign up. The world of Snap-on and its education benefits are waiting for you.